to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm just going to be quickly showing you guys how I installed this hair. This is a flip over method QuickWeave. So if you guys want to see how I installed it, make sure you keep watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair that I'm using. This is the Model Gardenia straight weave. I got 3 bundles for 3 packs, and they're all 20 inches and they're all number 2. I got this hair from my local beauty supply, and each pack of, or each bundle or whatever, was $9.99. This is the bundle right here. I really didn't want to do 20 inches. I really wanted something like a 14 or like a 16. They did have an 18, but they didn't have it in a 2. So the next shortest was this 20 inch. So yeah, I'm gonna just make it work. I am gonna be installing this using the flip over method. I was gonna do a side part with this hair, but I wanted to do something that was gonna give me more versatility in the hairstyle. I've never done the flip over method with longer straight hair. So I've only done it with long curly hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So my hair is already prepped for this QuickWeave. I just did a part down the middle and 2 braids to the back. And in this section right here is my leave out that I'm gonna blend with the hair once it's all done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this hair. Yeah, just keep watching. Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm all done with the install, and I got my edges laid down and everything. I did use every single piece of hair out of all 3 bundles. I have no hair left over. So y'all know I love me a good quick weave, but y'all also know that I love the flip over method because it's so versatile. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips right here so that you guys can see the other styles. So of course I can just wear it down like this, you know, flip to the side. I can also do a half up, half down. And then I can also do a whole ponytail. And then while it's up in that ponytail, if you want to, you can go ahead and just wrap it up and put it into a bun. And then I also left enough for my edges out, so as you see, you can pull some of your, you know, little side edges out, and you know, have the 2 little pieces on the side, just to add a little extra to the hairstyle. And then last, you can also just take a cute little headband, a scarf or whatever, and tie it around your head and push it back just a little bit and wear off the hair straight to the back. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I love me a good flip over quick weave. Of course, it's not virgin, Brazilian, whatever hair. It was only $9.99. You know, you get what you pay for. So don't expect this hair to last, you know, month and a half, you know. I would say 2 weeks at the most. If there are any questions that you guys have that I did not answer in this video, make sure that you go ahead and leave those in the comment box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you are notified first when I post new videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.